Any mention? 28.
My lords.
Just take 2 minutes. Just see the CAT order, my lords.
You already said that the order will be implemented. There is nothing wrong in the CAT.
Lord, may I just no CAT order, my lord. CAT order I want your lordship. Just see, my lords, page 20. It starts at page 20. And I would beg your lordship's kind attention at page 23, paragraph 7 and 8.
Yes.
The nature of the present OA is like that of a PIL, because, my lords, there are 4 petitioners. There are 4 petitioners who say the qualifications should be metric and ITI. The government takes a conscious decision. It should be broad-based. We want a whole pool to come in, so it should be ITI or metric. That's the issue. Now we have 1.8 crore people, my lords, all over the country with about 400 centers. This process, my lords, takes about 11 to 12 months. 9 months are in the process are still left. Now, my lords, kindly see paragraph 7. At the behest of these 4 people, the nature of the present OA is like that of a PIL. The applicants are otherwise qualified and they have not been ousted from the recruitment exercise. They are free to participate. However, by way of the OA, they are seeking the relief to stop other candidates from participating. In our view, the respondents have been able to show that is, my lords, we. The power to make the rules lies in the hands of the respondents as per the administrative requirements. It is not our mandate to go behind the policy decisions. Further, in our view, no individual rights of the applicants have been infringed because they in any case are participating. So, my lord, with this dismissal, which is, my lords, from page 20 to 23, the other side, my lords, comes up in your before this honorable court and say that the matter has been adjourned sine die. Your lordship says, please decide it at the earliest within 30 days. Go back. And in all fairness, my lords, as an officer of your lordship's courts, my learned friend, my lords, Mr. Sena, he says that no recruitment will be made. Recruitment meaning, my lords, that we'll not appoint somebody. But the process, my lords, which takes about 11 months, which has so much of logistics all over the country, at least that he never intended it, neither it was that way. But, my lords, now these 4 people, my lords,
So what has happened now?
now the learned single judge says that because you are taking steps in the recruitment, contempt will lie against you.
Therefore, that can't be in a form of an application now.
That's true, my lords. And my lords,
Doing an application, Mr. Sharma. That is
My lord, since the statement was made by my friend here, my lord, and my friend is also
the
here.
statement which is there is very clear.
So, my lord,
If the learned single judge will misinterpret it, you have a remedy. If he interprets it rightly, you have a remedy. If they have a remedy.
Lord, I quite understand the nuance.
my lords,
Just a minute.
We can't, because of any oral thing.
My lord, subject your lordship.
If we keep doing this, then we'll only be explaining our orders to
My
people.
lord, subject to my friend, my
Yes,
ASG permission, your lordship. The issue is your lordship may just clarify because
yes.
what is being argued that your lordship has taken the recruitment process. Also.
Process also.
That's the only issue.
And this is what Mr. Sena is saying, my lord. It is being taken that this court, my lords, has staged the recruitment process as such.
That's your lordship. May
And I've just said, my lords,
That's
that's the issue.
My
I
lords,
would not have troubled your lordships with
lords,
this.
my friend, the prayer which they are seeking through this CM application has been already answered by the 5 judges bench of the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
That, my lords, it's para 12, my lords. I just want to draw the attention of this court, para 12. My lords, which says, my lords, it's very important. Para 12, my lords. Para 12, my lords. Second. Lord, the question is that, Lord, let me speak, sir. The question which is framed by my lords, when the recruitment process commences and comes to end. So what is the exact meaning of recruitment? So, my lords, come to para 13, which says the process of recruitment begins with the issuance of advertisement. That's true, which was issued 28th of December 2024, and ends with the filling of notified vacancy. It consists of various steps, like the very first steps, inviting applications. They have invited applications. Thereafter, we got a stay. Now, second step, scrutiny of application. They have scrutinized the application despite the stay order, my lords, for which contempt has been raised. And second, they have also rejected defective application. Now they have issued the examination date as well, which is also in contrast to the honorable stay, my lords. So this is their all process has been completed. Now the examination is already dependent. Not the hypothetical question. Now tomorrow, my lords, that we will win the case. Now, my lords, what will happen to those students who were not eligible from in this advertisement? They are making fraud to this 1.8 crore lakh students, my lords, through this conduct, my lords. This is very clear statement, my lords. The recruitment consists of these steps, and they have
The only problem is this can't be a contempt. You are absolutely right. They should, as government authority, not do it at all. We are with you.
yes, my lords.
But that is not the order.
What, my lord?
The order is only a statement that I will not make any recruitment.
Recruitment. So what?
Recruitment means, as you rightly said, relying on this judgment.
Yes, my lords.
Recruitment will end with the final selection.
So my lords, their
It's
intent.
said that I will not even carry out in the
That's-
meantime.
My lords, their intent may be taken, my lords. If they will conduct examination, what will happen, my lords?
3%. There is nothing
In-
still there.
Instead of that, my friend should have taken a
No, no, please.
step.
I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Sinha,
I'm sorry, sir.
the only thing which is troubling us, honestly, is why are you doing this exercise? If it all has to come to a zero
That's
at the end,
very clear.
then look at all these people who will undergo all this selection process and then be told, oh, sorry, you can't be selected. Then what will happen is someone will come and say, my lord, I had passed. I was number one. At least allot me. I am number two. Allot me. You are just giving rise to 10,000 litigations. Nothing else. Mr. Sharma, you should advise them.
Lord,
That have your OA decided? No. When is it coming up?
30th October, my lord.
Then get
Lord, we are
decided what-
facing
No,
a
this is more, I think, out of ego than.
No, no, no,
Nothing
not,
like that.
not at all.
Nothing
Not at all.
Nothing
Lord,
like
may I just clarify? If your lordship just gives me 2-3 minutes. Let's just see, my lords, paragraph, page 40, 54. Kindly see, my lords, paragraph, what is far from my ego, my lord. Kindly see the manner in which 104, my lord. Paragraph 5 of the order dated 8th of October. PDF is 106. my lord.
PDF will not match and your printing of the page numbering is
Is
Lords, even page number is not there.
on page number 54.
मैंने डाला है सर ये.
104.
403. Sorry, the 403 watermark is on.
Okay, yes. No, this
PDF
this seems
106.
to be some 7.
Para 5.
And my lords, we did not come.
Para?
My
Para 5. So one.
My friend, those 4 people who in any case are participating, they have come to this honorable court. We have not come. It's an order in our favor with the CAT. Now, paragraph 5. The aforesaid order admittedly has not been modified or vacated. There is a clear violation. Now, 7. Let so and so appear in person to explain the aforesaid violation.
A6.
Annexure A6.
Sure.
A6 Collie Miller, the second order in that.
Second order.
Order of 28th October 2025.
8th October 2025.
That's it.
Paragraph.
Para 5. Para 5 and 7.
Learned counsel appearing
Yes.
on behalf of the.
No. Let's para 5. 8th of October
Court has
25.
observed.
Paragraph 5.
Order admittedly has not been.
The aforesaid order admittedly, my lord, has not been modified or vacated. This is what the contempt court says. It's taking, my lords, the steps in the recruitment process to mean as if there is a complete stay.
Mr. Sharma, this is there. You have not a contempt appeal remedy, but another remedy.
Well, I'm not on the contempt. My lord, I'll deal with the contempt, lords. I'll submit myself. But the problem here is slightly different. And the problem is one, my lords, where the entire thing is, in my respectful submission, highly truncated. 4 people who in any case are participating choose to.
This application has been filed. Clarification of order dated 28 July 2025, by which disposed of the above writ petition, continuing the statement made by the learned counsel for the respondent slash applicant herein, as recorded in the order dated 6th March 2025. Full stop. The basis of this contempt, the basis of this application is that the learned single judge of this court in contempt case within bracket C 1415 of 2025 has prima facie found the applicant to be in violation of the said order and has directed the respondent number 3 therein to appear in person before the court. Full stop. In our view, the statement made by the learned counsel for the respondent and as recorded in the order dated 6 March 2025 and continued by us in our order dated 28 July 2025 is very clear and requires no further clarification. Full stop. The applicant, if is aggrieved of the orders passed in the contempt petition, has to avail of the applicant, if it is aggrieved of the orders passed in the contempt petition, it has to take its own remedies, appropriate remedies against the same. Full stop. We therefore find no merit in the present application. The same is this.
Lord, I am asking for modification, Lord.
You are very clarification.
Lord, modification.
Modification in your lordship's order, my lord.
Look at the prayer.
That's,
Lord, then I'll amend the prayer.
my lord, that's.
I'll amend the
that is
prayer. Your Lordships may grant me liberty, my
This
Lord.
is dismissed.
We are
Whatever
not
you will
against-
file, we'll see it. This is dismissed. Yes.
Lord, with liberty to,
Mr. Sharma, you go and tell the learned single judge and.
Lord,
and-
Lordships may
and-
give.
And before that, you yourself have to think that what is the purpose of doing all this when the matter is coming on 30th, getting all this examination process on, getting people have legitimate expectations.
Lord, it's actually the converse. If your Lordships may just bear with
Next,
me.
next.
No,
Let's
Lord,
continue.
just 30 seconds, my Lord, more. Lord, it is actually the converse. The converse is this, my Lord, that the government thinks that, my Lord, it should have the largest pool of talent.
Correct. That's on merit.
So, no. And these people are participating.
Lords,
So it is, my Lord, it is not as if somebody is, my Lord, ousted from that.
Item 29.
Then your Lordships may, my Lord, then your Lordships could, my Lord, Mr. Sharma doesn't press this. It's withdrawn and I'll take my remedies before the single judge.
Otherwise, your lordship.
Otherwise-
No problem.
Or we'll come back with a fresh application. I'm not pressing this application.
Does not press this application. The learned AG without prejudice to the rights and contentions of.
It doesn't press this application.
Press this
This application. I'm so grateful.
application is accordingly
Grateful.
disposed of as withdrawn.
Lordship.
Maybe mark it as part 34. Because I also already heard the matter.
Okay.
So
Now to market part heard
I
will
would
be,
still never know what the.
you will show all these orders. What-
It would, in the interest of justice, nothing else.
अरे वो उसको रिकॉर्ड पे लगवाना पड़ेगा सारे पेपर्स जो अभी